Welcome back to my motorhome skylight replacement update. It's been probably a year or so. I thought I'd give you an update to see how the new skylight is doing. As you can see, not the best of weather, but it kind of proves that what I'm about to show you is for real. It's absolutely tipping down. It has been for the last few hours. We had flash floods last week in the UK, especially in England. So yeah, much the same. Rainy England. So we'll go inside and have a look. Okay, here we go. And there she is. As I say, we've had lots and lots of rain, and we've had storm this, storm that, storm everything that they want to name. And this, I would have had buckets in here literally. This would have been pouring in all down these seams. Oh, sorry if it's not focusing, but it's on my phone. I thought I'd do this while I had the opportunity and while it was chucking it down with rain, just to prove to you that it's done the job. There you go, nice and dry all the way around. Well worth the money, well worth the money. And there wasn't hassle really, it's just a bit time consuming, and think about what you're doing as you're doing it. But okay, and I think basically the star of the show has got to be this stuff. I mean, I'm not advertising that on behalf of anybody, but this is what I used, and I think that is the star of the show. That's, as you can see, non-drying bedding sealant. Use plenty of that, and don't over tighten as you replace the new one, as you're fitting it in and clamping it down with those clamps in the previous video. Just don't over tighten. And as I say, a year on, oh tickety boo. Okay, and if you're going to do one, good luck. Just take your time, put plenty of the sealant on, and don't over tighten. Okay, happy camping.